A question people ask a lot is, what is the main difference between a shoulder replacement that's traditional versus a reverse total shoulder replacement? And so with a traditional replacement, that's typically with someone who has fairly intact rotator cuff muscles. The four muscles of the rotator cuff, that's all pretty intact and just needs to be repaired. The joint needs to be repaired or replaced because of arthritic changes. And that's basically, they take the two components out, the ball portion of the humeral head and then the socket portion or the glenoid fossa. They just remove those pieces off and then they put in artificial replacement pieces back in those places exactly as they were. Now with a reverse total shoulder replacement, those are for patients that have deteriorated rotator cuffs. So the cuff, the tendons are really not holding together like they should be, difficult to repair, so they do the reverse. And so basically it's in the name. They take those same components and they flip them around and they go the other way with them. And both of those techniques have great recoveries and great outcomes as far as functional return to use of the arm and the hand. And so that's the biggest thing. When I started practicing almost 2 decades ago, the recovery was pretty rough, and the end outcome as far as the functional use and how far someone can raise their arm or what they can do with it was pretty limited. Now they may have less pain, but the return of range of motion and strength is really pretty poor. As compared to now, they do fantastic now. I've treated a lot of them over the years and they all do really, really well. The recovery is better, the pain is better, and again, the overall functional outcome on either one of these surgical procedures is better than it used to be. So you don't have to be scared or worried about having that technique done. Like I said, as compared to in the past, it's really, really advanced and you'll be glad that you had it done. So make sure you head over to my website, ChadGOrthoOT.com, where you find information related to orthopedic, sports medicine, and rehabilitation. Thanks so much.